You watching your best friend, Crystal J.
What's that you wearing? That fit you wearing? You got a little more caliente every time you walk by. It's Amor Allure, Amor Allure. What's that you
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your best friend, Crystal J. I'm here with another, you already know, dope video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to have one link for everything you need for your business card, your flyer, whatever. I like this one better than Linktree because Linktree, the options they have available in this one is free for us, and we can fix it to our branding and everything. It looks a lot better. And I'm more of a fan of this website versus Linktree. Before somebody come in and say, I use Linktree. Well, this is better than Linktree. Purposely use this for my branding, which you guys should know by now. That is very important. I don't use this for personal. This particular link is 100% I use for Amor Allure. Website right here. You can put your website about. You can even upload your picture. You can change right here your colors, which is your hex codes. You should know by now. If you're tired of me using that word, it's not the channel for you, but subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Now, what you're going to do next, you're going to, right now I'm just showing you my account. That's all I'm doing, showing you guys my account right now. So let's get to the most important part, your links. The links that I have is shop, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. On my business card, I don't have anything on there. Only thing I have on my business card is my QRC code. But my QRC code is this link that I update throughout the month. I may have a sale. I may want to put a link in there or something. So this website is very important to my business. I like how it looks. I like how I can look at the stats. I like how the colors match my brand to the T. Now, Linktree, my opinion about Linktree is either you pay for these features or you don't. And if you're a small business starting out, you don't have funding for that. So you're trying to put money to the side. Right now, I'm adding a link. I'm adding my Amor Allure virtual relaunch party for people who missed it, people who didn't know I had it. They can come and they can watch it still through this link, because it's gonna be there when you click this link. It's gonna be there. This, like I said, this link is, when I found this website, I looked up. I was like, oh my god, this is dope. Like, it is dope. So okay, so you're gonna make sure all your links are accurate. You're gonna make sure everything is right. Like I said, accurate. Next, we're going to stats. And what I like about this particular website is I can see my stats. I can see how many people have clicked on what. But this is my profile right here. Look how clean that looks. It fits my branding to a T, which my branding color is black and white, and doesn't not look clean. And I just clicked on one of the links to check and see if it worked. I really recommend you clicking your links to make sure your links work. Now I'm going to click on my Facebook. If you haven't already liked my page, please like my page. Amor Allure. It works. So the next link I believe coming up should be Instagram, which it is. I'm going to click on that and see if it works. It works. Next would be Twitter. I barely use my Twitter account, but if you want to follow your girl on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. And you see how my branding is the same throughout all my social medias. Everything is literally the same. Nothing is different. Nothing is different. I'm very big on that. You see my virtual party link, it came up, it worked. Like, when I tell y'all I have became obsessed with my branding, it's like I'm drilling it in my head. But anyway, you guys, if you guys like this video, please come back next Monday at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, where I'll drop my next video. And please check me out on the Bedroom Talk Show, my podcast, on Mondays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And my podcast is available on all platforms and YouTube, which you already knew. And then, guess what? I'm still showing you my stats. Look at that. Don't click off this video just yet. Don't click off yet. But I really hope you guys are really fully enjoying my ideas and my content. But anyway, I'll be back next Monday at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. Bye. See you later for the free 99.